You're looking at a 2017 GMC Sierra 1500 elevation 4x4. The GMC runs and drives nicely. The interior and exterior are clean. There are no accidents recorded on a history report. The 20-inch all-terrain tires are in good shape. It has a 5.3-liter V8, 6-speed automatic transmission, 342 rear-axle ratio, Eaton automatic locking rear differential, Z71 off-road suspension package with underbody skid plate, factory trailering package. Features include SLE package, dual power adjustable, heated front seats, 8-inch GMC IntelliLink Touchscreen Infotainment with CD player, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto compatible, Sirius XM Satellite Radio, reverse camera with guidelines to assist with parking and trailer alignment, wireless phone charging, power adjustable driver's foot pedal, dual zone climate control, cruise control with tilt wheel, power windows, locks and side view mirrors, remote vehicle start system, and keyless entry. You will be ready to conquer the Montana roads. No matter which season it is, stop by and take it for a drive today. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.